Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I want to show you a new caulking gun that I got. I'll put a link to it in the comments. And I lost my old gun. Somehow I had it for like 20 years and then I just can't find it. So anyway, I had to buy a new one. I bought a cheap one at Home Depot and didn't work very well. It was like $10 or something. Anyway, this company, it seems like, I don't think they only make caulking guns, but they make a lot of caulking guns. Come to find out, there's a different torque or pressure or ratio of how these guns pump, depending on the material inside where I'm tapping my finger. If it's a thick material, you need a ratio where when you squeeze the handle, it pushes harder, basically. And this material is an acrylic, and it doesn't need that hard of a push. Now let me show you. It actually has a chart inside, and it shows you like latex, silicone is what this is best for. I've got, this one is actually urethane, I think. What is this? Acrylic urethane. Anyway, it wasn't very hard to push. I made a small hole and it comes right out real easy. Of course, it's brand new. So the guns have different pressure ratios depending on what you're using it for. And this company will tell you that when you go to their website or you go on Amazon and then go to their store. Okay, so anyway, I popped it open and I filled in that crack up there. Let me see if I can get in closer. You see it? The reason there was a crack there is because that curvy material is not the same as the straight material that's there and the straight material that's on the other side. It's just made out of something different, and it shrinks basically over the years. So I had got a gap in there, and this filled it in pretty good. It still needs paint, but it filled it in pretty good. So of course I've got a lot left over. I'm going to show you how to cap it off, and it won't last forever, but if you cap it off this way, it'll make it reusable for, I don't know, 6 months, a year, a couple of years maybe. So anyway, just get some saran wrap out of your kitchen and wrap it around the end of the hole, the opening, the nozzle. I'm going to wrap it, and then I'm going to tape it after I wrap it. Let me show you. So I doubled it up, I wrapped it, I taped it. Now I'm going to shoot a little bit more of the acrylic out the end, and that should make an airtight seal, hopefully. So I doubled it up, I wrapped it, I taped it. Now I'm going to shoot a little bit more of the acrylic out the end, and that should make an airtight seal, hopefully. Okay, let's see if I can show you this. I'm pumping it. I think you can see. And that should be enough. 3 or 4 pumps, and you filled up the end of it like that. Okay? So that's about it. Just a little quickie job. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Let's go, Brandon. Bye.